Hi, I am Imal Aswath. Now I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is matrix. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to I, then find the simplified value of A minus I the whole cube plus A plus I the whole cube minus 7A. Here what is the condition is given? A square equal to I. You have to find this one, A minus I the whole cube. So first I expand A minus I the whole cube using the formula x minus y the whole cube. That is a cube, then here minus I cube, then here minus 3a square I, then next plus, then here you have to reduce 3a I square. Then next in the same way a plus I the whole cube, that is equal to a cube, here plus I cube, here in the same 3a square I plus 3a I square. Now a minus I the whole cube plus a plus I the whole cube minus 7a equal to, that is a cube minus 3a square I plus 3a I square minus I cube plus a cube plus 3a square I plus 3a I square plus I cube minus 7a. Now what are the term get cancelled is 3a square I, here 3a square I, then here minus I cube plus I cube, then now a cube plus a cube 2a cube, that is equal to 2a cube, then 3a I square plus 3a I square 6a I square, then remaining one 7a. Now a cube equal to, I can write 2a square into a plus 6a I square is I, that is identity matrix, so multiplication of I into I is I only, so 6ai minus 7a. Here 2a square is, it is given 2i into a plus 6ai minus 7a. Now 2a plus 6a minus 7a, therefore 8a minus 7a equal to a, therefore a. So the value is a. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.